Feels pretty strange vlogging from this seat right here. As you can see, the Chappie isn't the same anymore. I think today I'm gonna do something I've been wanting to do for a really long time, and that's take care of these ratty seats. These seats are completely original from 1978, 1979, and they have not seen better days. Take a look. So the idea behind this entire thing is to actually replace both of these captain chairs and put a bench in. The reason I'm going with the bench seat is because bench seats are awesome. I'll get an extra person right here. It's gonna be a quick one, hopefully. I'm just gonna pop these seats out and put the new ones in. Believe it or not, that actually went really simple, so let's keep going. I got these two plates right here that actually rise these captain seats up higher than like the factory bench would. Well, ran into my first hiccup. These bolts that hold this plate in are standard or American, not metric. I have mostly metric tools. So I had to run out and get a couple of things. So I picked up this 13/16 deep well, 13/16 wrench, 11/16 deep to get these plates off. So I'll show you. Here would be that 11/16. This was the hardware that kept these plates in. They were terrible to get at. Mainly the passenger side. Passenger side had the exhaust and the drive shaft all in the way. Let's pull these plates off and see what we got. They're crazy heavy. They're like about 30 pounds. Let's just test fit the seats and see how they go. So, my bench in. What a difference this bench right here makes in the entire space. I'm super thrilled on how well it fits. I mean, I knew it would fit because it's a Ford product, and they use this bench in basically every model from the 1980s to the 1990s. Just finding one that was in good condition was really hard. I actually picked this one up in Oklahoma while I was on vacation last year. We were just passing through. I actually drove an hour and a half in the opposite direction to come pick this guy up, along with the hood. I am beyond excited to get this project moving forward. The whole reason I got this seat in place right now is because we're actually framing out the loft area. I wanted to make sure I had enough space for the wall right here. You'll see in the next video. That the bench itself would clear. Super thrilled to get this seat finally in here. Changes the whole feel of the interior of Chappie. Just the cockpit itself feels almost complete, actually.